Good morning, children. Welcome to our class. Now, last lesson, the coastal plains and islands. There is a fifth lesson, new chapter. I will explain now. From your textbook, Amma. Do you want to learn about geography of the coastal plains of India? Are you interested in learning about the differences between the eastern and western coastal plains of India? The coastal plains of India are relatively expansive regions which contribute significantly in the geographical of the region. Now next, coastal plains. Coastal plains of India refer to the low flat areas which are situated adjacent to a water body, usually the sea. What is that, Amma? Coastal plains. Coastal plains of India is referred to the low flat area. It's a situated adjacent of the rivers. Now, our seas. Coastal plains are characterized by raised beaches and wave-cut platforms above the high water mark. It signifies that these coastal plains of India are basically the emerged floors of the seas adjacent to the land. After the emergency of these lowlands, fluctuations in the sea level, though a limit to small areas have brought about some changes in the general surface features of the littoral. Now, the Deccan Plateau has a coastal strip in the east and west. The coastal plains are generally separated from the interior land and have less vegetation in comparison. The coastal plains of India and a rather extensive region that significantly contribute to the physiographic except the region. These coastal plains are, it's not a flat place. It's a situated in front of at float of the seas. Now next, types of coastal plants. Types of coastal plants of India. Coastal plants of India are divided into basic types of these are. How many basic types, Amma? Eastern coastal plains runs from Tamil Nadu to West Bengal in the east. Western coastal plain. It is runs from Tamil Nadu to West Bengal in the east. Now next, Amma. Western coastal plains extends from Gujarat in the west to Maharashtra, Goa and Kerala. Eastern coasts and western coasts. Now, eastern coasts is runs from Tamil Nadu to West Bengal. Now, west coasts it runs from Gujarat to west of Maharashtra. Now, the two types of Indian coastal plains are discussed below in details. Now, eastern coastal plain. The eastern coastal plain lies between West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. Now, this eastern coast plateau is runs from the Tamil Nadu to West Bengal. Okay, it stretches between the Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats of India. It stretches from Bay of Bengal and eastern of India. Now, 130 kilometers is the average width of these plains. How many kilometers, Amma? 130 kilometers from width. Okay, 130 kilometers from width. Now next, the region receives adequate rainfall between 40 to 120 inches from southwest and northeast monsoons and has an average temperature above 30 degrees. In the eastern coast, how much temperature, Amma? 30 degrees centigrade. Sorry, 30 degree. Average temperature is 30 degrees and its length is 130 kilometers. Now, Celsius and high humidity. ఎక్కువ హ్యూమిడిటీ ఉంటుంది and average is 30 degrees Celsius. The northern circles amidst Krishna river and Mahanadi river is the northern part, while the southern part, the Coromandel coast, runs between Kaveri river and Krishna river. These plains have 6 regions. What is this, Amma? while the southern flat Coromandel coast runs between Kaveri river and Krishna river. What is the river, Amma? Kaveri river and Krishna rivers. These plants have how many regions? 6 regions. What are that 6 regions? So let's learn Amma the 6 regions. Southern Andhra Pradesh plain. First one is what? Southern Andhra Pradesh plain. Next Kanyakumari coast. Next Mahanandi delta. Next sandy coastal regions. Now next Krishna Godavari deltas. Krishna Godavari deltas and Coromandel coastal. And these are about eastern coastal plain. Okay, eastern coastal plain. Now next western coastal plain. That is I will explain in next class, Amma. Western coastal plain. Okay, children. Thank you.